Welcome to the HMAR Mobile Tech channel, working on a 2009 Mazda cx9 with a 3.7 liter, and I'm doing a spark plug change at the customer's request. And what I want to tell you guys is that the first thing that you need to do whenever you do a repair, this would go for yourself or anybody else, that you need to scan the computer for any fault codes and see if there's anything in the memory that could possibly be something that isn't related to your repair or is related to your repair. The reason for this is a couple things. You're going to CYA, cover your ass, and you're going to have this information for documentation purposes and for follow-up diagnostics after you do a big repair and you know the check engine light's on and you're trying to correct this. For all the techs out there, you can also use mode 6, and you will know what that means. If you know, you know. And so this is what we have to do. So we have to go and start with scanning the computer and making sure that we know what is going on here before we get started. So this is just so important to do. I can't stress this enough. And so as you can see that we got the green check mark. Mill light means malfunction indicator lamp status is off. All readiness complete. All the monitors are done. There's nothing here at all. We could even go a step further and go to read codes and see if there's any diagnostic trouble codes, current. And this vehicle has no fault codes. That's what we need to do before we get started on the repair. I can't stress this enough, guys. You did a good job. Subscribe, like, and share. Watch some of my other videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.